What's up guys, welcome back to Chit. I'm Bidisha, and today's video, as you've already seen in the title, is a chit chat kind of get ready with me. Before I start the video, I want to say that I'm not an expert in makeup. This is basically what I do to get ready on an everyday basis, and this is what works for me, is working for me at the moment. So yeah, having said that, let's get started. I've already taken a shower, so my face is clean. I washed it. But before I start doing my makeup, I like to put some rose water on. Either rose water or mascara. I want to clean it more before putting on my makeup. I don't know if there's any point in that, but then yeah, I do that. Let's do the first step. If you're wondering where this huge box of cotton pad is from, it's from XOXO, and I got it for 150 rupees. Mostly I use the micellar water, but then it just got over, so I'm using the rose water. Okay, I just remembered that I forgot the mirror, so I'll quickly go get it. Next I'm gonna use this aloe vera gel. I don't know if something is wrong with me or what, but I have this weird fascination with aloe vera gel. It just suits me. I don't like to use foundation every single day. I use BB cream and mix it with baby lotion, Johnson's baby lotion. I think that works the best for me for an everyday basis. I'll mix it with my finger. I don't know if anybody gets grossed out by next is something we all tend to forget about, and that is where the first signs of aging shows. So I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera too much, because I can't do it without a mirror. And I'll leave something unblended, if that's a word. Unblended is the word? I don't know. Maybe I need to look it up. All done. By the way, I'm putting on highlighter. This one is from Lakme Absolute Moonlight Highlighter. I actually wanted to talk about some of my favorite YouTubers while getting ready, in case you guys are interested in finding new YouTubers. If you have gotten saturated watching Netflix all the time, let me talk about some of the YouTubers that I follow. Browse.
By the way, I watched the movie Bohemian Rhapsody yesterday. I think this movie will create a new generation of Queen fans. If anybody didn't already listen to them.
I was about to talk about some of my favorite YouTubers. Let's go by genre. So start with comedy. Everybody must be watching Superwoman already. And videos are great to binge with your girlfriends. By the way, I'm using an eyeshadow as a brow powder. I'm using the Rock News palette from Maybelline, and this is the shade brown in the palette, which is the fourth one in the first row. Yeah, eyebrows done. Before I move on to eyes, I was talking about comedy channels that I really like. Superwoman for one, and recently I've been really liking Mostly Sane. She's funny, she's hardworking, she's growing like a wildfire. And who else? I really like the Dolan twins. I don't know if it's a comedy channel per se. It can be considered comedy channel. Also, I'm really liking Emma Chamberlain. I think she has mad editing skills. I think that's it for comedy channels. Eyes are actually the most difficult part for me. I never know what to do. For an everyday basis, I just want a little bit of shine there. So again, the Rock News palette, the shimmery pink one, which is the third one in the first row. I don't really do anything except for just put it there. Okay, let's move on to the next category of YouTubers. What should I talk about? photography channels, I really like Soral Amor. Forte is kind of advanced selfies and she takes some great selfies. Check out her Instagram profile too. I feel Soral Amor itself. Amazing self-clicked pictures. Her channel is more of a how-to channel about how she goes about taking those pictures, what she keeps in mind, tips and tricks and stuff like that. And obviously there's Peter McKinnon. He is amazing. I think everybody who's interested in photography knows Peter McKinnon's name. As photographers, I really like Brandon Wolfel and Derek Fresque, but they don't upload so much on YouTube, I guess. Another great photography channel. I haven't watched it since a couple of months. Her name is Jessica Copello. Just type 4 photographers shoot a model. If you're interested in modeling or photography, you can get some inspiration from there. Okay, that's done. Okay, have a baby cream on, done my brows, eyes. I was actually a hardcore eyeliner girl, and recently I shifted to kajal for some reason. Reason being, I take too much time to put on eyeliner. So I shifted to kajal. There it is. This one is from a brand called Blue and it is a German company. To my knowledge, I got it with my EUPHORBIA box. And in case you want to see the unboxing of the EUPHORBIA box, there's a video already up. I'll link that in the description box below. What I do on an everyday basis is first line the waterlines. I used to do the wing lashes with eyeliner, liquid liner, but then since I take too much time, I started doing that with my kajal too.
I like the kajal on an everyday basis more because if I get messy, it doesn't show as much because I will mess it up a little bit more after doing it.
While I'm doing that, let's discuss a few more YouTubers. Well, let's select a genre. Vlogs. Emma Chimney, her channel is kind of a vlog channel. I've already mentioned it in the comedy category. Her and then Superwoman's vlog channel too. Even though I don't watch it every single day because it's kind of hard to follow up on every single YouTuber. And recently I'm watching a lot of Adeline Mori vlogs. She has very good content. She has like equal amount of informative content on her vlog channel as she has on her main channel. Current YouTube vloggers I watch a lot. I would have to say Emma Chimney, Casey Neistat, Adeline Mori vlogs, Superwoman vlogs. That's it for now because nothing else is coming to my mind. Okay, next category. Motivational entrepreneurship channels. I really like Sunny Lenarduzzi. If you are not a vlogger or a YouTuber yourself, maybe you wouldn't find her channel as interesting as I do. Other than that, Evan Carmichael, yeah, I think those I'm watching currently. Moving on. If you like reaction videos, check out the channel called React. Lots of addictive reaction videos like kids reacting to Bohemian Rhapsody. That comes to my mind because I watched Bohemian Rhapsody yesterday. Another channel, if you are a Disney fan, I'm a huge Disney fan. There's one channel you should check out. It's a channel that makes cover songs of various artists, but he has a lot of Disney songs on his channel. His Peter Hollins. If you're a Disney fan, I think you may have already heard his name. He and his wife has a lot of great a cappella videos. Okay, now that I'm roughly done drawing my liner, this is already messy, but I'm gonna mess it up a little bit more to hide the fact that I'm kind of bad at doing my eyes. Okay, that's done. Whatever. Next, what do I have to do? Bronzer, little bit. I don't do this every single day. Once again, I'm using the Lakme Absolute one. Moonlit, the other color. Don't judge me if I'm doing it really wrong. I put it just below the cheekbones and my jawline. While I'm doing that, let's talk about some Indian YouTubers. Mostly they are lifestyle YouTubers. One of them is a comedy channel, as I've already mentioned her before, I guess. Mostly same. I'm watching Sejal all the time. I think her channel gives such positive vibes. Now I'm going to blend it. And I'm also watching Akriti Rana's channel. She has kind of started doing videos on behind the scene setup for Instagram, how she built her business through her blog and vlog. I'm really liking those content, and her house is so freaking cute. It looks like a Chumbak store. Any other genre that I should be talking about? Nothing comes to my mind. So let's move on, talk about Indian bloggers or Instagrammers. I don't follow blogs so much. I find it more difficult to follow blogs than a video because you can just relax and watch a video. So yes, Indian Instagrammers slash bloggers. Santoshi Shetty, then Riya Jain. I think her page is called Cotton Cuff. Ashna Shroff. Big Hair Loud Mouth. She's from Bangalore itself and her content is good. One of my favorite things to look up on Instagram is book pictures. Few of the Instagrammers, bookstagrammers, whom I really like are James Trevino. I hope I'm not getting the surname wrong, but James Trevino, he has amazing book pictures. And there's Bookish Bronte, she has great pictures too. There are a lot of great bookstagrammers actually. Then there's another great Instagram account, Sienna and I. It's actually a mom and a daughter. Sienna is the name of the daughter and the mom is the one who takes the pictures. She has amazing pictures. You should definitely check that out. That's done. Next, blush. Oopsie. I'm using the Laura Geller blush in the shade Pink Grapefruit. Number is 0425. I got it as a gift, so I don't know the exact price. I'll look it up, mention it on the screen if I find it. It says made in Italy. I guess it's not available in India, so I'm sorry about that if you want to buy it. The texture of this blush is amazing. You take a little bit and it's like, whoa. And I'm not putting on mascara because I have kind of stopped putting on mascara on an everyday basis. Last but not the least, I'm gonna put on a lipstick. This one is Lancome from the Rouge in Love series, the number 230M. Actually, I don't put this on every single day. This goes exactly with the dress I'm wearing today. Most of the time, I put any nude lipstick that I have. This is more on the pinkish side. I think I'm done. Maybe I'll just leave it like this because it hasn't dried completely yet. Or maybe because I'm kind of liking this beachy Moana vibe for today. So I guess I'm gonna go with this. I think that's it. I hope you liked the video and found some bloggers to binge on and new bloggers to follow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.